question is, how far would motorboat go in 3.5 hours? So motorboat, it travels 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, it travels 20 kilometers. So in 3 hours, it travels, we will multiply this 3 with 20. That is 20 into 3. So that is 60 kilometers. It travels 60 kilometers in 3 hours. So 3 hours done. Next is and a half hours. So in half hour, it travels. So in half hour, it travels. We have 20 divided by 2. That is 10 kilometers. So total we have 3.5 hours. So in 3.5 hours, it travels, that is 60 plus 10, 70 kilometers. So it travels 70 kilometers in 3.5 hours.